Welcome to our video regarding the stigma on mental health and how to reduce it. This is our group members from the group 9 that's exist of Gary, Sukri, Hafiz, Wardina, Lemba, and Zarifa. The next stigma is social judgment and fear of societal perceptions. This stigma contributes significantly to the stigma surrounding mental health. The perception that individuals with mental health challenges might be labeled as weak or unstable by society can lead to hesitancy in discussing these issues openly. How to overcome this stigma? Firstly, encourage open dialogue where individuals can share their personal experiences. When individuals openly share their stories of dealing with mental health challenges, it normalizes the experience. It demonstrates that mental health issues can affect anyone, regardless of background or outward appearance. Next is community initiatives by storytelling events. Organize events where individuals can share their mental health journeys through various mediums, such as public talks, workshops, or art exhibitions.
Stigma. Individuals with mental health are not able to work as a professional worker. This stigma can impact career progression and opportunities for employees with mental health conditions. They may face challenges in disclosing their conditions or seeking reasonable accommodations, which can hinder their professional growth. So, how to reduce mental health stigma in workplace? Policy development. Implement policies and procedures that support mental health in workplace. This include flexible work arrangement, reasonable accommodations for individual with mental health conditions, and clear guidelines on confidentiality and privacy.
For the example of stigmatization is people believe individuals with mental health are weak and unstable. The belief that individuals with mental illness are weak or unstable is a harmful stereotype that contributes to the stigma surrounding mental health. This belief is problematic for several reasons. The 3 reasons to this issue are misunderstanding, lack of education, and cultural influence. Therefore, in order to reduce this issue, 2 tips are required, which are education and awareness. Education can help individuals understand that mental illness is a medical condition, not a personal failure. By providing accurate information about mental health, misconceptions and stereotypes can be challenged. An awareness campaign can be done to encourage empathy towards those with mental health challenges by sharing personal stories of individuals who have experienced mental illness. This can humanize the issue and reduce the tendency to stigmatize. Media frequently portrays individuals with mental health issues as violent or dangerous. This misconception can lead to fear and discrimination, making it more challenging for people with mental health problems to access treatment, employment, and social support. Often, characters with mental health problems are portrayed as one-dimensional and defined solely by their condition. This simplification fails to acknowledge the complexity and individuality of people's experiences, reinforcing harmful stereotypes. Media sometimes perpetuates the misconception that individuals with mental health issues cannot recover or lead fulfilling lives. This discourages people from seeking help and reinforces the belief that mental health problems are hopeless. Encouraging responsible and empathetic media reporting on mental health issues is crucial to combat stereotypes and reduce stigma. Encourage the use of respectful and non-stigmatizing language when discussing mental health. Avoid derogatory terms or sensationalized headlines that perpetuate stereotypes. Highlight stories of individuals who have successfully managed their mental health challenges and are leading fulfilling lives. These stories can inspire hope and break down stereotypes. Provide information about available mental health resources, hotlines, and support networks in media coverage. This can help individuals seeking help find the assistance they need.
People who have mental problems are actually not strong or have no faith. Tips for avoiding this stigma. We as a citizen need to use various platforms to spread awareness.
People who suffered from mental health usually have lowered self-esteem.
The internalization of societal stigma can result in lowered self-esteem and self-worth.
So how to reduce the stigma?
Be mindful of the language used when discussing stigmatized conditions.
Even so, we should praise them to boost their confidence.